Hi everyone, my name is Odao Cosmos, founder of Website School and also Sir Cosmos World. This is me here on the screen, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add slider in WordPress website with the plugin called Smart Slider 3. And after watching this video to the end, you'll be able to add Smart Slider to any WordPress website. But before we start, please like this video and subscribe to my channel to get notification when I post a new video. Let's get started. And let's go to our website. This is the website school.xyz, and this is our homepage. As you can see, we don't have any slider which our users can see, and I would like to add slider to be able to beautify this particular page so that when our users log in they can be able to see and access these changes. To do that, log into your dashboard and then go to your plugin, click on add new, and search for a plugin called the Smart Slider 3. Once you see this plugin, click on install now. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do that now and then click on activate. Now, once we've activated this plugin that we just installed, now scroll down, you see that this plugin is already in your website, your back end. Now look at the left hand side, you can also see this plugin Smart Slider. Now click on dashboard, click on dashboard. Once it's open, you see it says welcome to Smart Slider. So here is a tutorial. You can click on this to watch on how you're able to do that. But to dive straight into the goal for today, which is to what create this slider. Now go to dashboard, and let's click on this and wait for it to load. Here you see tutorial sliders which you can be able to add to these which you can watch to be able to create something of such nature. But we are going to click on a new project and then start with a template. Now here you can see various free sliders template we can be able to use, and also if you scroll down you see the paid versions, those ones you pay to be able to get. But let's make use of the free one for the sole purpose of this class. Click on import, and once this has installed, you see this particular one has three sliders: full one, full two, and full three. If you also want to add yours, or you'll be able to delete this and add yours, you can do that. Just come here, click on add slide, an image, and then I would like to select this particular image and then click on select. So you can see we have four of these. Now you can edit these particular sliders. In order to edit it, all you need to do is to click on edit. As you can see, we already have default text. If you like to change this text, all you need to do is to click on this. The text appears, and put, or you can write up anything or what you want to appear on it. And also for the heading, you can also edit what. Let's say we want to edit this heading to be home. You can just type in home, and also for your call to action button, which is the read more, or where you want them to, the page you want them to go to, all you need to do is to click on it and paste your link here. So would like to leave this way just for the purpose of this tutorial. Now click on save, and also once we've saved, click back. Now you can also do same for this other um, slides. Once you've made those changes, click OK. Once you save these changes, say slider saved, all you need to do is to come to the control section and then ensure that the arrow is on. You understand? Go to your auto and click on this auto and click on save. And after doing that, go back to general. You see this short code. Click on it, copy this code, and then go to the page you want to paste it. To paste it on our home page, all you need to do is to create a section where we can add that. Now click on this. So I like to select this and stretch section and go to my Elementor, drag text to that section. All I need to do is to edit and after editing, I'll paste my short code and click paste, then update. Now we've updated this. Now let's visit our homepage. This is our homepage, and as you can see, it has not been displayed yet. Now let's refresh this page to see if actually what we've done has taken place. Yes, beautiful. As you can see, we now have our slider here on our home page, and also you see automatically it slides automatically. So basically, this is how you can be able to add slider in your WordPress website. If you like this video, please leave a comment in the comment section below and also subscribe to my channel to get notification when I post more videos.